Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Oggie and I've got June's Zbox. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below, ring that bell, and we will get started. Okay, normally let's cut the box and get started, but really I already opened the box. Camera wasn't running, so we're going to redo this. I won't be as surprised as you, but take a peek inside. First, we've got a Born Geeky 12-sided plush die. I guess you could roll it and it's kind of stopping on the number, so there you go. A plush die. Kind of like it. Next up, we have a Hellboy limited edition coin. Individually numbered, embossed on both sides. Silver edition. I was looking on here, and this is coin number 25. So they've done 25 of these. I think I've gotten 5 for different things. I've got one for Sega, a few different things. I really like them. It's one of the things that Zbox is doing that I really think is cool. All right, so I opened it up the first time, and let me open it up. It's just hard to get it closed back up. And the coin comes in this little protective cover so you don't get your prints all over it. It said, I'd give my life for her, but she also wants me to do the dishes. And the other side, it's easier to read it on here, says, world I come, and then it's got the coin number, and this coin is number 1983. Good number, good year. Let me take those off. The Hellboy limited edition coin. Did I show you the front and back? Maybe not. Hellboy on the front. I'm not sure what that is. Is that his hand? His fist? I think that's what it is, but I'm not positive. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Oh, it closed up better that time. Alright, so what do we got next? We have a shirt. And what do we got? We've got the 4 houses of Hogwarts. We have the symbols for each of the houses, a big H, and it says Hogwarts at the bottom. It's a really nice shirt, very soft. I really like this shirt. And it's a licensed Harry Potter. That's a nice shirt. And next, and I was surprised by this because used to be you would get Funko Pops in all the mystery boxes, but now it's very rare you get a Funko Pop in a mystery box. This one's Kate Diaz from Gears of War. There was Marcus Phoenix, Clayton, Marcus Phoenix, Clayton Carmine, J.D. Phoenix, Kate Diaz, Del Walker, and Locust Drone. Those are the 6 in that series. And get her back out. She's really detailed. It's a nice looking pop. I like her hair and that earring. The earring. Look at her hair. Very well done. And you got the ponytail in the back. You got all that detail in the hat. So nicely done pop. I don't have any in the Gears of War series, but if they all look this good, it'd be a nice series to collect. Well done. So that's it. 4 items. No pamphlet though. I don't know if they left it out or if someone got in them. No, it was sealed, or what? I don't know why there's no pamphlet. So we got 4 items. A really nice Harry Potter shirt, Funko Pop, 12-sided die plush, and a limited edition Hellboy coin. And 16. I don't know, about $36, $38. What do you think? I think I got my money's worth out of the box. It's actually it's better than the last few boxes I've gotten. That's for sure. I'm happy. Let me know what you think. You think I got my money's worth here? Leave me a comment down below. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. You have a wonderful day.